In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How many daily prayers are obligatory in Islam? Five. What is the first prayer of the day? Fajr. Which prayer is offered just after noon? Suhr. Which prayer is offered after sunset? Maghrib. How many rak'ahs are in Fajr prayer? Four. Which surah is recited in every rakat of namaz? Al-Fatiha. What is the minimum number required for Jama'ah? Two. What is the term for the leader of the prayer? Imam. What is the name of the call to prayer? Adhan. How many takbirs are there in a single rakat? One. What should one perform for offering Salah? Wudu. Which direction do Muslims face during Salah? Kaaba. How many rak'ahs are in Isha prayer? (17) What breaks the wudu? Sleeping. What is the term for sitting between two sajdas? Jalsa. Which prayer is performed at mid-afternoon? Asr. What is the voluntary night prayer called? Tahajjud. Which prayer is performed in Ramadan after Isha? Tarawih. Which prayer is offered for seeking guidance from Allah? Istikhara. What is the term for the sitting position in Salah? Tashahhud. Which surah is recited most often in a rakat after Surah Fatiha? Al-Ikhlas. What is the meaning of Salah? Prayer. Who made Salah obligatory for Muslims? Allah. What is the best deed after belief in Islam? Salah. Which angel taught Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the method of Salah? Hazrat Jibril. Thank you for watching this video. Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, alone, without any partners. And I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his servant and messenger. If you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments on how we can improve.